I'm gonna. All right, Octavio. I'm back in the game now. You gonna take some of these ramps? Woohoo! Hey, you guys. Let me tell you something. This guy right here, he's the oldest bicyclist in the world. His birthday's next week, and he's going to be 104 years old.
Wow, great. That's awesome.
Yeah, and he lives right over here in Orange and Ocean.
Awesome.
And so we're capturing some video.
Good idea.
Yeah, he's good. His name's Octavio.
Well, but when I'm I'll still be here filming the paper too.
Yeah, right. Hey, Octavio. Oh, that's a good spot. So, Helene, let's do this. So, hey, Octavio, where else do you like to ride? Where else? What else? We're here at Bixby Park now, where the skateboarders are, and where you come down. Do you ever skateboard here? Do you ride a skateboard?
Yeah.
Do you ride a skateboard? Do you ride out here on a skateboard? No, you don't.
You know?
I've never seen you on a skateboard.
You don't really?
Yeah, I've never seen you on a skateboard here.
She's seen.
Have you seen him?
Every morning he's here at 7 o'clock with these guys doing all the tricks.
Really?
Oh, he's amazing. What an athlete.
You come here in the mornings and skateboard.
And then he goes out surfing, at noon.
Do you surf also?
I dive. I like to dive.
You like to dive? Do you? Do you ride down at the beach? Do you ride down on the beach bike path?
Yeah.
What do you do when you're down there? Why do you like to ride on the bike path?
Any place in the beach alongside the shore.
You like riding down there? Why?
Because I fell there once.
Oh yeah, on the Unipero Hill. Yeah. So did you stop going down there? Do you go down there now?
No, I think I'm too old.
Nah. Well, you're making your way around here pretty well.
Did you go to the farmer's market this morning?
I like to go with her.
You like to ride with her?
Someplace where we can relax.
Yeah? Where you could just relax? Yeah, you got
It's
something?
important to relax at our age,
Yeah.
Octavio. How about the farmer's market? You want to go there?
Huh?
Farmer's market?
Where's that?
Right at Pine, downtown?
Yeah, let's go there.
You want to go downtown? Hey, we ought to take him to George's and introduce him to Joseph and Alan.
Absolutely.
Let's go downtown. Let's go down to. I want to introduce you to some friends in the downtown. You want to go?
Let's go.
All right. Great. Let's go. Hey, Octavio. You gonna go down 2nd Street? You gonna go down on this street?
What street?
That one where the bike lane is?
Follow Charlie. Follow Charlie. Go ahead. Follow Charlie.
Come on. Woohoo! Yeah.